If you have a favorite herb, chances are it's easy to grow, and the payoff is huge. There are many products available to choose indoor herb gardens, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best indoor herb gardens from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ido Hydroponics Growing System. Not only does this indoor herb garden use red light technology to encourage your plants to flower and fruit, its sleek design is available in 3 trendy colors. It's compact enough to fit on the counter, but the height also adjusts to accommodate taller plants. This style fits 5 pods, but there's also a 10-pod option in select colors. The system has a 2.5-liter water tank, automatic timer, and 2 different grow modes. You'll receive grow baskets, domes, grow sponges, and rods, but you'll have to purchase seeds separately. Luckily, the grow sponges are easy to replace when you run out, so no expensive maintenance required here. Number 2. Veritable Smart Indoor Garden. This energy-efficient smart garden requires very little hands-on work and maintenance. Simply fill the water reservoir, pop your plant pods into their new homes, turn on the grow lights, and let the system do the rest. It uses less water than soil-based crops, and it can go up to 4 weeks without needing more. Like other pod-based systems, this one requires you to purchase the brand's seed pods when you're ready for a refill. But thankfully, Veritable has over 70 varieties of pods to choose from. It's energy efficient, too, as its LED grow lights turn off at night, and users say they don't notice an increase in their bills when using this garden. Number 3. Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden. This attractive, user-friendly system holds more plants than other options on our list. This attractive system catches our eyes, with multiple color options and a sleek and beautiful design. It's larger than some other systems, making it a great choice for folks with a bit more space, or who just want to grow more than a few plants. This garden makes growing easy with features like automatic watering and a bank of grow lights to ensure your plants get the UV light they need. Number 4. Smart Garden for Home Kitchen Windowsill. This affordable hydroponic growing system helps bring fresh herbs to even the smallest home, and it looks great while doing it. We love how easy it is to set up, just like its larger counterpart. All you do is add pods, add water, plug it in, and let the gardening system do the rest. While it's not the best choice if you crave variety, as it only has space for 3 pods, it's perfect for folks who want to keep things small or try hydroponic gardening without a big upfront investment. Number 5. Ido Hydroponics Growing System. This hydroponic system is a great choice if you're looking for variety and have space to spare. It also includes a fan to help disperse pollen between plants, which means more fruit and vegetables to cook with. It also includes 2 growing modes, offering different light spectrums for different kinds of plants. We love that this system doesn't rely on pre-made seed pods, as it allows you to really tailor your garden to your preferences. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.